Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about best quality SCI index journal. I will explain you how to submit a technical paper with IEEE. In this video, I will explain you step by step how to submit a manuscript in the IEEE transaction on electron device journal. IEEE quality makes an impact on your CV. Today we will discuss about different IEEE transaction or non-transaction journal for devices in the microelectronics VLSI field. The topmost journal is IEEE transaction on electron devices. Second, IEEE transaction on nanotechnology, IEEE transaction on device and material reliability, IEEE transaction on very large scale integration VLSI system, and the last one IEEE sensor journal. Today we will discuss about in detail about the IEEE transaction on electron device. In future, when you go for the interview, the interviewer may ask why your paper is not in IEEE or best quality SCI journal. My advice is for you, try to put your manuscript in the best quality SCI index journal. We know that the IEEE journal known for the high rejection rate. The reason behind is that because the aim of this journal is to produce best quality papers. There are number of IEEE journal is available for the publication. Today we will discuss about IEEE transaction on electron devices. In the upcoming video, I will discuss about more SCI journal and the IEEE journal also. If you want more videos on the same topic, please suggest me the journal name in the comment section in which you want to know about more for publications. I will do the video on that particular journal also. If you want to publish your manuscript in the reputed IEEE transaction on electron device, please watch my video very carefully. We will give the journal format in the description section. With this, you can write down your manuscript according to the journal requirement. Before submit a manuscript in the reputed journal, you must read the aim and objective of the journal. The main aim and objective of the IEEE transaction on electron device is to publish original and significant contribution relating to the theory, modeling, design, performance, and reliability of the device. And it also includes integrated circuit device and interconnects involving insulator, metal, organic material, microplasma, semiconductor, quantum effect structure, vacuum device, and emerging materials, with application in bioelectronics, biomedical electronics, computation, communication, display, optoelectronics, photovoltaics, power ICs, and microsensors. If you want to submit an article in the reputed IEEE transaction on electron device, the novelty of the proposed structure is the main criteria. The first focus of the editor is on English language of the manuscript. English language is also the main criteria for the editor. You can also take help of the native English speaker for the editing of the manuscript. If you need any help regarding the English language of your manuscript, you can directly contact with us. We are providing that facility to our customer. Tutorial and review papers on these subjects are also published. An occasional special issue appear to present a collection of papers which treat particular area in more depth and breadth. If you want to publish a review paper in the IEEE transaction on electron device, then my advice is for you, IEEE not accepted review paper without a strong background. Most of the time, special invited in a particular field can publish review paper in the top journal. Frequency 12. IEEE publish 12 issue in 1 year. Subjects include in this journal is components, circuit, device and systems, engineering material, dielectric and plasma. We will first talk about the instruction for the author for IEEE transaction on electron device. Submission of a manuscript amount to the assurance that it has received proper clearance from all the authors listed, from all the authors, companies or institutions, that it has not been copyrighted, published or accepted for archival publication. You must specify the detail of the funding agency if applicable, and all the author's acknowledgement is also necessary to submit manuscript in the reputed journal. First we will talk about pre-submission editorial services. It is the author's responsibility to prepare a publication quality manuscript. Manuscript with improper use of language, symbol or units may not be sent out for review. English language editing services can help refine the language of the article and reduce the risk of the rejection without review. Plagiarism. All the submission manuscript will be checked for originality using the plagiarism detection software Crosscheck. It must be less than 20%. If any of the manuscripts that are found to have plagiarized others, copying someone else's work without appropriate credit, copying or reusing of one's own prior work without appropriate citation, or that do not specifically cite proper work, are subject to penalty under the IEEE policies government publications. You cannot take any figure from other manuscript without the proper citation. Second, you cannot copy your own data. It is also come into copyright action. If your manuscript comes into any copyright issue, then this will be subject to penalty under the IEEE policies governing publications. Next is submission requirement. All IEEE journals require an open researchers and contributor ID, that is ORCID for all authors. ORCID enable accurate attribution and improved discoverability of an author's published work. The author will need a registered ORCID in order to submit a manuscript or review a proof in this journal. If you want to submit a paper in this reputed journal, you must have an ORCID ID. If you don't have, you can go to the website of ORCID ID and make it before submit your manuscript in this journal. Next, we will talk about submission procedure. All manuscript must be submitted electronically using IEEE's web-based author submission and peer review system, ScholarOne manuscripts. Please do not send manuscript directly to the editor-in-chief to the publication office. There is an online portal for the IEEE transaction on electron device where you have to submit your manuscript. You cannot send directly your manuscript to the editor-in-chief or other editor of the IEEE transaction journal. Before submit your manuscript in the reputed journal, a cover letter stating explicitly that the manuscript is being submitted for publication in transaction on electron devices must be included with the submission. Manuscript must be uploaded to the TED website. When you submit your article to a journal, you often need to include a cover letter. This is a great opportunity to highlight your work to the journal editor. What makes your research new and important? The cover letter should explain why your work is perfect for this journal and why it will be of interest to the journal readers. Now the question arises, what should cover letter include? I will tell you some key points to include. First one, your manuscript title. Second one, name of the journal you are submitting to. Third one, statement that your paper has not been previously published and is not currently under consideration by another journal. Fourth point, and why you think the readers of the journal would be interested in it. Fifth point, contact information of you and your author that must be included in the cover letter. Second point for the submission procedure, a user account is required to submit a manuscript. Before creating a new account to submit your manuscript, please check to ensure that you do not have any existing account which is based on your email address. Third point of the submission procedure, instruction for establishing an author's account and for uploading your paper are available on the submission website. Once the list and order of authors has been established, it should not be altered without permission of all living authors. Fourth point of the submission procedure, if an author is added or removed from any paper, a signed acknowledgement by all the authors stating that they are aware of and agree to the change must be submitted to the editor office. Simply, if you want to add more reviewer to the journal, it's not possible. If you want to remove any name from the journal list, then you have to give the acknowledgement of all the authors that they knew about that the one of the author is removing from the list and they agree to the change must be submitted to the editorial office. The next step is supplementary material. Supplementary data is not permitted and will not be included in the review process. Any supplementary file submitted will be removed by the editorial administrator. The next step is submission format. Manuscript must be submitted in the 2-column format using the IEEE templates. The font size and the line spacing must not be altered when using these templates. The templates and further guidelines on the preparation of the manuscript can be obtained from the IEEE tool for the author website located at ieeeauthorcenter.ieee.org. Create your IEEE article. You can do simply Google search to find out the templates of the IEEE transaction on electron device. The next step is the length of the manuscript. The Electron Devices Society has determined that the standard length of an initial manuscript submission, including references for the regular paper, should not exceed 6 pages. Please note down that your paper does not exceed from the 6 pages. Papers over 6 pages, 7 or 8 pages in the initial submission may be considered depending on the technical impact of the manuscript, but will have a lower probability of acceptance. Submitted manuscripts exceeding 8 pages, including references, will be returned immediately to the author. If your manuscript length is more than 8 pages, then it does not consider by the IEEE transaction on electron device. It will be sent back to the author without reviewing. The length of the review papers should not be exceed 12 pages in the initial submission, including references. Longer manuscript will be returned immediately to the author without reviewing. The next step is how to write an abstract. Abstract must be a concise yet comprehensive reflection of what is in your article. In particular, the abstract must be as follows: self-contained, without abbreviation, footnote or references. It should be a microcosm of the full article. Please note down that your abstract does not include any references, any footnote, and any abbreviation. It must be in between the 150 to 250 words. Be sure that you adhere to this limit. You cannot exceed from this words limit. Otherwise, you will need to edit your abstract accordingly. Written as one paragraph and should not contain displayed mathematical equation or tabular material. You cannot include any equation or any tabular form data in the abstract section. The next is the abstract should include 3 or 4 different keywords as this will help readers to find it. It is important to avoid over repetition of such keywords as this can result in a page being rejected by the search engine. The next step is reference section. Each reference cited must have a complete list of authors. You cannot include etc. or all in the reference section. You have to write down all the author's name in the reference section. Complete titles, first and last page number, month and year. In addition, authors are required to include the digital object identifier where applicable. Supporting document for cited references not yet be published should be provided. The next step is review process. The review process averages 12 to 15 weeks of IEEE transaction on electronic device. The author will be notified of the editor's decision based on the reviewer's recommendation. The reviewer's comments are confidential and must not be reproduced, published, or distributed. When you submit your manuscript, it must be in PDF format. Transaction on electronic device will no longer publish photos and bios in the manuscript. Please do not include them in your submission. Let's start the practical process. How to submit a manuscript in IEEE TED journal. Step 1. Type, title and abstract. First, you have to select your manuscript type. You will get the number of options: regular, brief, correspondence, review article, and many more. If you want to submit a regular paper, you have to select this regular. Second, enter your title. You have to must notice that your title does not include more than 50 words. Next, you have to enter the running head. Running head is like a title, but the length of the running head is very less. You have to select some words from the title in the running head. And next is abstract. Next, you have to enter the abstract that does not include more than 250 words and special character. Do not write more than 250 words in abstract section and special character. You have to enter this abstract information in the appropriate box given below. If you need to insert a special character, click the special character button. When you are finished, click OK, save and continue. Second step. There is one more option is there. Is your manuscript invited? You have to click on the no if the manuscript is not invited. If the editor send a mail about the invitation of a new issue of the IEEE TD journal, then you can select the yes button. The second step, the file upload. Your journal requires that you upload one formatted double column main file, only the PDF document. This is the file uploaded option. You have to click on the select file and upload your double column main file. It must be in the PDF format. Next, you have to click on the upload button. After that, save and continue. The next is attributes. You have to enter some keywords related to the manuscript. You may enter your manuscript attributes keywords in two different ways. First one, search the general list of keywords by typing in term. First, you have to enter the particular keyword, for example, tunnel, and click on the show full list. You will find out the other keywords related to the tunnel. You can simply add it. If your keyword is not in the list, you have to simply click on this add button and add this new keyword in the list. The next step is authors and institutions. Enter your co-author information in the box below. Then click add to my authors. To check if an author already exists in the general database, enter the author's email address and click find. If the author is found, their information will be automatically filled out for you. When you are finished, click save and continue button. This is my detailed author detail. If I want to add one more author in the manuscript, you have to simply add email address of the corresponding author and click on the search button. If the information related to your co-author is present in the IEEE TD database, it will be automatically searched out and added in your selected author list. If it is not present, you have to add the email address, affiliation, and other information related to the co-author. The fifth step is reviewers and editors. To indicate your preferred and non-preferred reviewers, enter the reviewer's information into the text box below and click the appropriate designation button. To designate preferred and non-preferred editor also, select them from the drop-down and click the appropriate designation button. When you are finished, click save and continue. In the IEEE transaction on electron device, you can enter the list of some preferred or non-preferred reviewers list. Simply, you can add any reviewer if you think that this is a field expertise of your manuscript, and you can oppose to any reviewer also. The same process you can do with the editor also. You can select the preferred editor or oppose editor in the box given below. The sixth step is details and comments. Enter or paste your cover letter text into the cover letter box below. If you would like to attach a file containing your cover letter, click the browse button, locate your file, and click attach to the cover letter. I will already given all the information about the cover letter. Cover letter is very important when you submit your article in a reputed journal. Your cover letter is explain why your work is perfect for this journal and why it will be of interest of journal's readers. The next is rate key statement and rate topics is not the mandatory step. The next step is rate key statements and rate topics. It is not the mandatory step. You can leave that step. Next, answer the other remaining questions appropriately. Like that, has the manuscript been submitted previously? No. and other some information related to your manuscript you have to enter correctly. Review the information below for correctness and make changes as needed. After reviewing the manuscript proof in the PDF format and the HTML format, at the foot of this page, at the foot of the journal page, you must click submit to complete the submission. This is the final step. After final submission, you cannot do the changes in your manuscript database. My dear friend, this is end for today. I will come back with a more informative video. Till then, goodbye, take care. Please like and subscribe my video. Thanks a lot.